We now enter the place where the old hippodrome used to be in Roman times. This is the German fountain. But this is not the interesting part. The interesting place I want to show you, that being a little more ahead, the Egyptian obelisk. Notice how it stands only on 4 pillars, small pillars. I believe that is metal or something. Imagine the weight. This is the most important thing here. This is the original piece of the monument built by the Greeks after defeating the Persian Empire in 479 AD. This was constructed from the shields and swords of the enemy, of the Persian enemies. The one at Delphi is just a copy, because this was taken by Constantine and brought here from Delphi, of course. But let's see if there is any information here. This is the column of Constantine. This was built by him, not taken from Egypt. Da.
It's hard to get your head around that one.
I mean, how did they?